Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's a lot, but if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. So I just wanted to show you guys, my experience for the last time in my apartment here in Birmingham, and it wouldn't be fair if I don't show you guys everything or the experience I'm going to be having in this apartment. This apartment, I've been here for over a year and I kind of feel attached to the apartment already. It's kind of empty right now, but I just want you guys to know what I have right now. So this is it. It's so empty right now. This is where I'm going to be sleeping today. So let me show you guys my bed for the night. So this is where I'm going to be sleeping tonight. Like, I'm going to be here. This is going to be my pillow. This is going to be my bed for the night. And I actually wanted to also give this to my subscriber who is coming here for his doctor's program. But because I have given up all my furniture and bed and mattress and everything, and it's freezing right now, I couldn't just sleep on the floor like that. I'm going to be sleeping on the floor, as you can see, but I'm going to be covering myself up with this duvet. And I'm thinking that by tomorrow, when I'm awake and I'm moving out of this place, I'm going to take this back to the storage unit so that they can have it if I have the strength, because I'm so tired. So this is going to be my sleeping bed, and I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen. So basically today I'm just going to a day in the life, or a night in the life of a recent graduate who is spending her last night in her apartment. So I don't know whatever I'm going to title it, but just know that this is how it's going to be. And I'm just going to share with you what I think so far. It wouldn't have been possible. The lightning is terrible, guys. It wouldn't have been possible for me to achieve all of this alone. I'm trying to find where the light is. Oh God, yeah. It wouldn't have been possible for me to have achieved this on my own. So I really want to say thank you to my buddies who helped me do this, especially Victor and my American friends. They all rock. I really want to say thank you guys so much. So this is going to be my last day in this apartment. So I planned that I was going to make soup and stew. I was actually going to make soup and stew for them, like I said, at least because I felt when I got here, I wish that I had someone that just came to give me Nigerian meal, because throughout my trip I couldn't eat anything. There was nothing for me to eat. There was nothing Nigerian. So for the longest part, like 20 hours, I didn't eat. So when I got to Houston, that was the first time I tasted food, and I was almost passing out. So when I got to Birmingham, there was no food like Nigerian food or anything like that. So I'm thinking that I was, I would have loved someone to have given me Nigerian food when I got here. So I wanted to give that experience to my subscribers who are coming here, but I don't have the strength. Like, I am so tired. I don't know if I might still end up doing it, but I just wanted you guys to also know. I'll show you guys to my kitchen and the things I already prepared that I was going to do. I plan to do jollof rice. I plan to do ogbono and okra mixed together, and I plan to do pomo sauce. And yeah, those are the things I wanted to do and just keep for them, so that I'll take from it. Of course, I'll eat from it, then I'll keep for them. I'll maybe save it in my friend's refrigerator, so when they get here, they can just have Niger food to eat. And then we also not just any Niger food that is made by yours truly, Valeen, Oseh. Do you understand? So I just wanted them to feel good. So if you're watching this already and you're coming, you're like, oh, Valeen, yeah, why didn't you cook? Just don't worry. Maybe I might cook, maybe I might not, but whichever one that happens, just know that I really wanted to do that. And if I end up doing it, please, you will ensure that you cook that food for me whenever I visit Birmingham or anything like that. But if I don't feel bad, because I've been very tired. I think I'll add clips, or you've seen clips of videos that I've been doing or making about my packing and everything like that. It was really tiring. Like, it was tiring. It was really tiring. So let me show you guys to the kitchen, and let me show you to the kitchen. So you see, everywhere is pretty. Before I enter the kitchen, let me just turn the light on. Yeah. So wow, I look good. I look good. Good, even though I'm so tired. So guys, this is my kitchen. I don't know if you can see everything. So I left this here because I was going to be how do I do this now? I was going to be what's in here is sugar, and then I have milk here. So I was going to be taking cornflakes because I know it's going to be very hard for me to make food or anything like that. But you know, so these are the things I plan to make. This is my tomato and my pepper for the jollof rice I plan to make. This is the rice. Over here, this thing here is the, what is it called? Ground pepper, tomato, you know, canned tomato. You have the vegetable oil, you have the knife, you have the, you know, ogbonor that I wanted to make too. The okra is in the refrigerator. I already sliced it and kept it, you know, it's already frozen and everything. It's here. And then this is the, you know, the chicken that I'm gonna use. These are all the items are here that I'm going to use as well. So this is the pot. All of these things I'm going to take back to the storage unit so that they can have it. This is another blender. Oh my god, I already added one blender for him, but this is the second blender and I'm also going to take it back. So this is you know, what's in here is kpomo. Oh my goodness, I can't take this kpomo with me, of course. So I was going to make proper ogbonor and okra soup with that kpomo and all the rishi, everything chicken in here. This is the onion. You know, I have onion here for the meal. And pretty much I left a couple of, you know, utensils that I will use, you know, after cooking, because I am going to trash them or take them, you know, to the storage unit so that I can add it up for him as well. And then I have here, I have the remnant of my you know, pound dough here. So this is the pack for the, yeah, the pack for the you know, blender. So that's all I had, you know, in my mind to make, but I am too tired. And guys, let me show you to my closet. I think I shouldn't even show you guys to, you know, everything or around, because I'm going to be making like an unfurnished, you know, studio apartment tour. So let's just leave it at that. So what I'll do now is go ahead, clean up everything, sweep, you know, because I need to also, there's some dirt there, I need to trash those, and then, you know, get everything figured out so that tomorrow I'll have enough time to rest before my flight. So that's all that's going to happen tonight. I'm so tired. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please. Bikono ejo ema binu. God bless you. Okay? Chukutieni mbene ulu. Okay? And then turn your notifications bell on so you're the first to get notified whenever I upload my content, and give me a huge thumbs up. And why am I sounding like I want to end this video? Maybe I want to end it too, because seriously, I am tired. So guys, I had to go quickly lock my relock queue because I realized that I had not you know, protected it. I mean, for security reasons, it's very important. And I remember that the guy who came here to drop it off insisted that I get a lock and ensure that it's protected. So I remember that I haven't done that. See, I'm tired, my eyes are turning me. So bye guys. guys, good morning. My hair, everything felt like they were tired themselves. It was so cold. Like I had to move from that area. I knew I was to sleep. What am I showing you people? I was supposed to sleep somewhere there, but it was so cold. My heater is here. Mind you, I gave out one heater already. So this is the second heater. I'll try to take it back, but if I can't, I'll just, because I'm so tired. So this was my bed today. This is my window. This is where I slept. Can you see that? Yeah, that's it. I am so tired. I need to take a very warm bath and get to work again. Like I need to finish up the whole cleaning and everything. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. So guys, I was able to actually make something for my subscribers coming here. So this is ogbono soup, ogbono and okra soup, and then I might be able to make jollof rice, I don't know, but let's see. But the ogbono soup is for sure. You people will have ogbono soup to eat when you come here, with more stockfish, fish, chicken, so this is for you. All right. I'm so tired right now, and I've missed out on my the time I need to check in somewhere, but I had to do it for you guys. This is, I don't want to show you the rice because I don't know if I'll eventually be able to make it, but that's the rice there. But if I'm not, I'll for sure the soup is ready. So yeah. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you see the way I take care of my subscribers, the way I take care of my people, the way I take care of everybody. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications bell on so you're the first to get notified whenever I upload my content. And please give this video a huge thumbs up. And please, if you want to be a benefactor of all that this channel has to offer, all you have to do is stay loyal, and in fact use the link in the description box down below so you can join my Telegram group. All right, I'll see you guys. Finally guys, I finally decided to make the jollof rice, and this is the jollof rice. We're almost there. That one is for semo. Of course I can't keep semo for them, but I have kept soup for them, so when they get here they can make gari, which I know they'll come with, and then they can also make semo to eat it, because I think that soup should last them for a week or two. So that's it. So yeah.